Let's talk about this. So you know that side hustle you keep putting off, the one you say you'll start when you have time. Here's a rule that actually makes you start, and it takes 2 minutes. The problem most people have, and I was there too, is this. You decide to start a side hustle. Maybe a YouTube channel, an online store, freelancing, whatever. You get excited, you make plans, big plans by the way. You're like, I'm going to post every day. I'm going to create 50 designs this week. I'm going to build a whole website this weekend. And then what happens? You don't start. Why? Because it feels overwhelming. It feels like too much. So you wait for the perfect time when you have energy, motivation, and 3 free hours. Spoiler alert, that time never comes. So the side hustle just sits there, waiting, while you keep saying, I'll start next week. And here's the solution. This is where the 2-minute rule comes in, and it's simple. If something takes less than 2 minutes, do it right now. No planning, no waiting, just do it. And here's why it works. Starting is the hardest part. And once you start, you usually keep going. But the gap between I should do this and actually doing it, that's where side hustles die. The 2-minute rule removes that gap. Want to start a YouTube channel? Don't plan the whole content strategy. Just open YouTube Studio and create the account. 2 minutes, done. Want to start freelancing? Don't build a perfect portfolio. Just write 1 sentence describing what you offer. 2 minutes, done. Want to start posting on social media for your business? Don't plan 30 days of content. Just write and post 1 thing. 2 minutes, done. See what's happening? You're not committing to the whole project. You're just doing the smallest possible step. But that step breaks the inertia. And here's the reality. A lot of people never start what they plan for themselves. Instead, they complain about almost everything, while they're not actually taking action themselves. They complain about relatives with money who aren't helping, bad leaders, the economy. But think about it. What have you actually done for yourself? Starting something, even small, works no matter what the leaders or economy are doing. So start on your plans. Stop overthinking it. And here's the secret. Once you do the 2-minute task, you usually keep going. You open YouTube Studio to create an account, and then you start exploring features. You write 1 post, and then you write another. The momentum builds itself, but it starts with 2 minutes. Here's the reality. Will the 2-minute rule build your entire business? No, but it will get you to actually start. And starting is what most people never do. They wait for motivation. They wait for the perfect plan. They wait for someday. Meanwhile, the people who succeed, they just started. They start imperfectly, just with 2 minutes. So here's your challenge. Pick 1 thing you've been putting off for your side hustle. Just 1. Do the 2-minute version of it, right now. Not later, not tomorrow, just now. Write 1 sentence, send 1 message, create 1 account, post 1 thing. 2 minutes. That's all it takes to stop waiting and start doing. If this helped, subscribe to Entrepreneur. More honest side hustle content coming your way. No hype, just what actually works. And drop a comment. What's the 2-minute task you're doing today? Let's see who actually does it.